Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add a shadow to a picture in Canva. So in order to do this, I'll first open my browser, and now I'll head on to canva.com. If you haven't logged into your account, you will have to do it first. And now I will create a new design and show how it's done. I'll make it the size of YouTube thumbnail. Now I will add a photo so that I can show you how you can easily add a shadow. So maybe I'll add this arrow PNG, so you can see this thing. And to add a shadow, what you will have to do first is go into this edit photo option. We have to first select the PNG which you want to import the shadow of, and then you have this option called edit photo. You have to click on it, and now you can see some effects and things here. So what you have to do is, you can see in the effects section you have this option called shadows. You have to click on it, and now you have these three options. You have drop shadow, glow, and then outline. So I will use the drop shadow option. That's it for today's video. Hope you found it informative. If yes, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.